Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by telling Chatgpt exactly what you want to find in your conversations. State the goal using precise keywords and a short phrase. Enable chat history and give each conversation a descriptive name for quick lookup. Use a consistent keyword or tag across related chats so the model can identify patterns. Mention the type of answer you need, such as a summary, code snippet, or reference. This setup makes later searching faster and more reliable for repeated tasks. Open the chat list and type a focused query using the most distinctive words you remember. Put exact phrases in quotes to ensure precise matches instead of fuzzy results. Add modifiers like date ranges or file names to narrow down older or technical content. If too many hits appear, ask ChatGPT to summarize the top matches in one paragraph. Then request only the full sections you need. This sequence saves time and reduces scrolling through long threads. Adopt a tagging convention such as proj or note, followed by a concise topic to organize searches. Regularly export or copy crucial answers to local documents for backup and offline searching. When working with sensitive information, verify your privacy settings and delete chats once the task is complete. Use version conversation names when iterating on a project to track changes. Finally, train short prompts that summarize your needs to speed repeated searches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.